ranking Pirates strikers kule season ezoqala. We have Umbuthuma, we have Mahopa, we have Radiopan. Three strikers. We all know we still have scarcity of goals. But first, my best striker is Radiopan. I know he has stayed with potential for a long time with injuries and everything. I hope this season unikezwe ithuba. Reason being is able to spot i-target. Uyakwazi ukuyibona i-target, uyakwazi ukukora nje. He's a proper striker. He also can contribute kwi-play. Mbutuma is a very good player even. Naye he always stays on the box. Mbutuma he contributes kwi-play. He just needs to be clinical when it comes to scoring goals. So I would rank Mbutuma as number 2. And then Mahopa. Mahopa is a big game player. If you want to succumb the pressure from the opponent, you need to Mahopa because Mahopa uyena ozokwazi ukuthi aqale ukupressa up high, ama-defenders angakwazi ukudlala as they used to. I will make an example with Sundowns players ngendlela abadlala ngakhona nje Sundowns as a team. Umahopa ufita well in marking those opponents, but ke i-downside yakhe, one, positionally is not good. He tends to drift wide and even nakuyo le preseason we've seen such things where sesiyamdinga but akasekho kuleya position because he went to play the ball or to link with the team but or end up esuka kwi-position yakhe. Kanti striker, we need him on the box. 2, he's not very clinical. He's worse than Mbutuma again. He's not very clinical. I think he needs to improve his game in terms of that, and then uzoba right. Otherwise, I think we do need a striker that is proven for us to finish off those balls. Afikayo with our creative players like Abo Apolis, Abo Tito, Moremi. So we do need a striker ozokwazi ukufinisha amabhola ngoba masingasitholi striker sokwazi ukwenza leyo nto leyo, we are in deep trouble, especially ngoba sekhambe urele. Nanokuthi nje at the end of the day it only makes sense that we can be lethal from the front and